Why are our bills so high in Wales when we are so rich in natural energy? It's just not fair, and it's not how it should be. Over 27 years in power in Wales, Labour have refused to give our communities the power over our natural resources,
leaving our communities to pay the price. And Reform, they don't believe in climate change. Unlike them, Plaid Cymru knows the transition to clean renewable energy isn't optional.
We can use our energy from natural resources to power our nation and bring bills down. All we need is a government ready to realise our ambition and our potential, and a government that will work with communities, not against them.
Which is why Plaid Cymru has a plan to unlock Wales's renewable energy potential and make sure communities are empowered and feel the benefit of it. We will create a national energy company to grow community ownership and help reduce bills.
And we'll create a Wales Wealth Fund to reinvest the profits into our communities.
We will never stop fighting for the devolution of the Crown Estate so that communities benefit from those natural resources.
A Plaid Cymru government will get to work day one to bring more projects online, faster, and to work towards an energy-independent Wales.
Plaid Cymru is the only party offering new leadership for Wales, which will always support our communities. So vote Plaid Cymru on May the 7th.